Hello friends, is your engine running rough, hesitating, or even stalling unexpectedly? If your check engine light is showing code P0367, it means there's a problem with your camshaft position sensor circuit. This issue can cause poor fuel efficiency, misfires, and difficulty starting your car. In this video, we'll cover what P0367 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0367 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit low, bank 1. When dealing with the P0367 code, you might notice several common symptoms. The check engine light, or CL, will be on. Your engine could misfire and experience rough idling. You might also notice poor acceleration and a general loss of power. There could be hard starting or even a no-start condition. Reduced fuel efficiency is another sign, and in some cases you might experience stalling while driving. The Camshaft Position Sensor B is responsible for tracking the camshaft's rotation to ensure proper timing. Here's a useful tip. The exact location of the sensor may vary depending on your vehicle model. Always, and I mean always, refer to your engine diagram or service manual. A failed crankshaft position sensor. If the CKP sensor is bad, the PCM may misinterpret camshaft data. Timing chain or belt issues, a stretched or broken belt can cause incorrect camshaft timing. And lastly, a PCM malfunction. It's a rare case, but sometimes the engine control module itself is at fault. Step 3. Test the CMP sensor using a multimeter. Replace it if it's not sending the correct signal. Step 4. Check the crankshaft position sensor. A faulty CKP can also cause this issue. P0367 can cause serious drivability issues if not addressed quickly. Fixing it early will improve engine performance, fuel efficiency, and prevent costly damage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.